Authorities are starting to piece together what actually transpired before a huge volume of illegal drugs was seized by law enforcers in Batangas. If another piece of evidence is actually linked to the said case, the investigators can possibly eventually determine where it came from, as they already know how it was slipped into the country. How? Patrick De Jesus reveals in this report.
An abandoned yacht was found in Nasugbu, Batangas, and authorities are now investigating if this is linked to the over a ton of illegal drugs seized in Alitagtag, Batangas on Monday. The PNP said this is where the illegal drugs was possibly loaded and hidden before it's transferred to a van that was eventually intercepted in a police checkpoint in Alitagtag. The authorities have not provided adequate details to not compromise the still ongoing investigation.
Asan po sila lumayag, asan sila pumunta, Sir Will cannot answer you anymore. Kasi sabi ko nga, yung crime na to, hindi lang po galing sa Pilipinas, wala po kaming lutuan dito. Pero yung asan yung direction na to, I think the Coast Guard knew about it, but they will not say it anymore. We need to file yung cases right now kasi ito po yung fina-file namin. Ito po yung yate na nakita namin. We'll be filing yung case right now na ito po yung under custody po ng Coast Guard and the PNP for our investigation.
More vehicles are being traced that might have served as security. The PNP then said that some houses are up for police searches. Based on the background check on the van driver who was arrested and identified as Alajan Michael Zarate, he was a former U.S. Army member from 1997 to 2005. Zarate then returned to the country in 2008 and has a fitness center in Metro Manila. Meanwhile, the authorities allayed doubts on why the value of the total drugs went down from 13 billion pesos initially or 9.6 billion pesos after the final inventory. DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos explained that the previous value was only an estimate. He then stressed the inventory process was transparent, with witnesses from barangay, courts, and media in attendance. It will also not affect the case or prosecution of the evidence.
Napaliwanag na po natin na yung statement natin lahat are based on estimate. Ang proseso ay naging very transparent. May 3 testigo, lahat kumukuha ng camera. Magmula nung umaga hanggang kinabukasan, nakakamera po yan kompleto, open to the public yan.
Parang hindi maganda na parang may pagdududa. Ang sinabi naman po during the press con o sa mga pahayag ay estimate, no? At saka kitang-kita naman po ninyo na ongoing po ang inventaryo. Bakit kayo magdududa?
For those who say the seizure of the contraband was staged to make government look good in its war against illegal drugs, the DILG Secretary's message to them:
hindi biro po ito, ha. Ito'y dulot ng pagpapursige, katapangan ng mga tao rito. Buhay po nila ang talagang tinaya nila rito, ha. Hindi malayong balikan sila rito. Ito lang masasabi ko sa inyo. Lalo kami magtatrabaho.
The seized illegal drugs turned out to be high grade after examination and was later turned over to PIDEA. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.